Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term feeling resentful in. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, feeling resentful in is experiencing bitterness or anger about unfair treatment. People use it when someone feels overlooked, wronged, or upset about a situation. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Feeling resentful in first showed up in the 17th century, rooted in Latin origins, meaning to feel indignation. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among people expressing emotional frustration. Now let's check out how to use feeling resentful in a sentence. Correct example 1. She was feeling resentful in after being overlooked for the promotion again. Correct example 2. After the game, he was feeling resentful in about the referee's calls. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said feeling resentful in at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using feeling resentful in right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Feeling resentful in means experiencing bitterness or anger about a perceived unfair treatment. It started in the 17th century, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with feeling resentful in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.